Okay. Hey, good evening, everybody. I am sitting here today talking with our lender, Tish Griffin. She is the Vice President of Mortgage Lending and Renovation Specialist at Guaranteed Rate. And those of you that know me, my name is Nikki Runnels. I am a realtor with KRGW Realty here in Westchester. How you doing, Tish?
I am great. I'm excited to be speaking with you tonight and looking forward to everything that we're going to cover.
Oh, good, good, good. So I'm wanting to talk to you today about the program and service offerings that you guys have at Guaranteed Rate. I know that you do a lot of work with as a renovation specialist. Could you tell us what that basically means and what that entails and how that will help buyers today?
Of course. So I do a lot of work with consumers to help them into a home, but it's not just about getting into the home. It's about making that home right for you. And so that's what the renovation loans will help people do, because a lot of times you go out, you look for a home and it may or may not fit your liking, or you may see a building that you're thinking, well, if it was just a little bit of tweaking in it, then I would be able to live there. I could see myself there. So there's a lot of different reasons why people would use a renovation loan. And so that's what I help bring to the table. What can you do to help get into that home and make it yours?
So it's like when we take buyers out and we have them look at a home and it might not be perfect. It's not turnkey ready. So they have vinyl floors and they want to turn them into hardwood, knock out a bathroom, do a kitchen, a bathroom to make it their dream or their vision. So this is what a 203K or a renovation loan would cover to help with for the buyer, correct?
Correct. And there's a lot of different aspects of it, and we can get into that a little bit later. But a lot of people feel like, well, I've been searching for months. So it also helps you because you're taking that search time out. You knowing that, hey, this home, you liked it, except for maybe like the kitchen or the bathroom needed a little bit of work. If it wasn't for that, you would have gone ahead and put in your bid or offer for it. And this helps with that because now you're reducing the search. You're able to customize the home to fit your needs. And a lot of times, what we are finding in our community is that it's saving a lot of the buildings that people would normally not even look at and making them worthwhile. So we're adding some value back into our neighborhoods as well.
Okay. And so one of the things that I wanted to discuss as well is some of the misconceptions about the 203K loans. You're able to facilitate these in any part of the state. So any county, DuPage, Cook, it's not just for City of Chicago residents. It's for any borrower that will qualify for it.
Right. As long as you qualify for FHA financing, then you can do an FHA 203K loan. And not even just that, there are other programs available for renovations as well, because there's a conventional option out there for some borrowers that qualify. There's a VA option out there. So there's other things that you can do, but a lot of people are most familiar with the 203K because it's an FHA loan, meaning that if you can get an FHA loan and you're a first-time home buyer or you're looking for just a little bit of help out there, this one is perfect for you.
Okay. Now, are there specific qualifications for this loan beyond regular FHA or VA?
So what you do need to keep in mind is that as long as you qualify for FHA financing, you can get the loan. But you may need to have extra reserves or extra, there's some extra things that go into the loan because this loan is a great product, but it is seen as a slight risk to any bank that's out there that's doing them because there are things that can happen. You can change your mind. There's so many other areas involved in it, but it's a great product out there for those that are looking and are tired of searching and or you may even find a building that you like, or you may even own a building and you're looking to get something done or get something fixed up on it. So this is obviously the product that you want to look at first.
Well, yeah, especially now since inventory is low. So a lot of buyers are having a hard time, find something that really meets their needs. So this could be a great choice for someone who, again, like we said, they may get a fixer upper And it doesn't need too much. It doesn't need total demolition or anything like that, just some cosmetic changes or, a little extra work. And so this would be a great product that would help them out. Okay, so
Right.
I like that. So I'm excited about that. I just want to get that clarification out of there that it's not just for a particular region of the state. So that's very helpful. Let's see here. So is there anything specific? So we know about the IDA loans and everything like that. Is there anything, any special down payment assistance or any other loans that guaranteed rate also offers in addition to the IDA loans?
Well, guarantee rate, we work with all types of down payment assistance programs or community grants that are out there and available. You do need to make sure that you qualify. You need to have a score of at least 660 in order for us to be able to use them. Okay. And some of the programs will allow, 640 score, but for the most part, we like to say, look at it 660 because we do want to strive to make sure that there's no problems. And you looking at having a higher score, getting yourself in a better predicament, that helps us. It helps you as the realtor. It helps me as the lender as well. So it takes a lot of stress off of that transaction, knowing that that score is where it needs to be. And when you're looking at down payment assistance, there's different community grants that may be available. There are things that will come up, especially with the new year just starting from time to time, and we just need to be diligent and seeing what opens up, making sure we're checking those dates and making that information available to you. And your situation is different from someone else's. So if you're looking for some help and some assistance, you need to let us know exactly what you're going through. Maybe you feel like you can afford a mortgage payment, but you can't afford the down payment, or you only have so much saved, or you don't know how much you need to save, but you are interested. So we do need to know that information so we can try and put you into the right program. Now, a lot of the with the renovation loans, you can't use like the IDA down payment assistance program and things like that, but there may be some other things that we can do. So we do need to know your full situation and know what you're getting yourself so that we can help you determine the best route for you, which program will be available, which one will work in your favor, and take it from there.
Okay. And right now with COVID and a lot of people are not able to make their mortgage payments and everything like that. So people are getting behind, but the governor put pretty much a stay that's not allowing anyone to be evicted or thrown out of their home. So can you tell us a little bit about what companies are doing now to help their consumers not be, thrown on the street, basically?
So no one wants to be thrown on the street, and no lender actually wants to see that happen either. So lenders, servicers, they are out there with programs that are available to help you as a consumer. If you're facing trouble, the first thing that you do need to do is reach out to your lender and see what programs are available. Now, some of them will offer forbearance or a period where you're not able to, where they know you're not going to be able to make the payment and they're not going to hold it against you. Some of them will do it for 1 month, some for 3, some for longer, but it depends on what your situation is, and you need to reach out to get that help as well. Now, during that period, though, for some lenders, they are, even though they're not holding it against you, you're not going to say that you're late on your payment. They may need to flag your credit report in a special way that lets other people know that, yes, you did go through this. And it's not, it won't affect your score or anything like that, but it may pop up and it may be something that you need to make sure that if you start a program with them, you complete it. If you say that you're going to do this for 3 to 6 months, make sure you finish it the 6 month, make sure they know about it and they're reporting that to the credit bureau as well. And because for some people, when COVID came about, didn't know how to handle it. And so some people were just missing mortgage payments, but that help is out there and it won't be held against you. And it doesn't even stop you from getting a home either. Now, if you were, let's say you went through the foreclosure prevention or you went through your lender's program and it lasted for 3 months. If you were looking for a home loan after that within the next year or so, we would just need to know that you did complete it and you have been making your payments on time since then and that everything returned back to normal. And let's say you start this program and you realize you need more help too. Reach out to your lender because that help is out there. But if they don't know what you're going through, how can anyone help you?
Right, and everybody is told that at closing, obviously, if you fall behind on your payments and you think there's going to be a problem, the first thing you want to do is to contact your lender, but many shy away from that because of the despair of not knowing, when the next paycheck or anything like that is coming from. So the recommendation is that immediately when you have any type of pitfall, that you just go ahead and immediately contact your lender and see what they're able to work out for you.
Right. And a lot of lenders will notice that that's your habit too. They like that you keep them informed and let them know what's going on, and they're more likely to work with you if something happens. So I always recommend reaching out, keeping that door open.
Okay. Well, I do, like I said, I don't want to take up too much of your time today. I do appreciate you stopping in and talking with me today, and just making sure, like, again, in this time, we want to be helpful to everybody, our consumers, and, not just looking for, what we can do for ourselves, but giving them some information that might be helpful to them, because there are a lot of people right now that might be underwater. And we just want to make sure that they can get those services and know that those things are available to them.
Right. And again, I know we shared a lot of information, but I actually do love the renovation loans and that process. So I just wanted to throw a little bit more information out there for anyone that's interested in a renovation loan and you find a building with like good bones, good structure, and you want to know what to do. Is that okay?
Well, I am going to definitely drop your information as a link, so that anyone that wants to reach out to you for more information about renovation loans, because like I said, an ugly house should never stop you from buying a house. You get that renovation loan, fix it up, and make it yours. And so that option is definitely out there, and we want people to take advantage of it. Just know what products and things are available to them to make the home their own. So.
Right. And if you feel that you are a borrower that would like to get more information and wants to start looking at those buildings, reach out. He's more than able to set you up with some searches and get you going on that. You guys can go look at properties, and then we can walk through the whole process with you. And that is an amazing process, to take a building that was worth little of nothing and turn it into your home and something that's right for you and your family. And we've got a bunch of different options and ways for you to do it. We'd love to walk through that process with you. So feel free to reach out.
All right. Well, thank you, and happy Tuesday. We will talk again soon.
Talk to you soon.
All right, later.